Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tanu Wellness, your physio and Pilates hub, and I'm Dr. Tanushree, your physio and Pilates expert. In today's video, we're going to discuss a very common modern day health issue known as text neck. Now, text neck is basically neck pain during texting or using your mobile phone, looking down for prolonged hours or looking down with a forward neck posture on working on your laptop or your computer. This particular condition is very common, and in this video, I'll be demonstrating 5 simple exercises towards the end in our bonus section that will help prevent this condition. We'll also see what exactly is text neck, why is it so common in corporate world, and how you can identify early signs. So stay tuned. And here's what we're going to cover today. First, we will see what exactly is text neck and how it develops. Then we'll discuss why it's commonly seen in corporate professionals. I'll also walk you through some early signs and symptoms of text neck. Not only that, why it develops in neck and that it radiates to your shoulder and back region. After that, we'll look at various treatment methods, precautions, rehabilitation strategies to help you manage and prevent this condition. In our bonus section, like I mentioned before, I'll be demonstrating 5 simple exercises to prevent this condition. So let's get started and tackle this issue head on. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on our weekly physiotherapy exercises and wellness advice. If you're finding this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and don't forget to share with someone who might benefit from this information. What exactly is text neck? Text neck is a term used to describe the posture problems that result from prolonged periods of looking down either at your mobile or laptop. When you tilt your head forwards to look down at your mobile or your laptop, the weight on your head puts additional strain on your neck and upper spine. The human head weighs around 10 to 12 pounds in a neutral position, but when you look down, you won't believe the weight increases up to 60 pounds or even more depending upon the angle. So this excessive strain can lead to muscle fatigue, inflammation, and even structural changes over the period of time. Now, text neck isn't just about discomfort in your spine. It can lead to serious issues such as radiating pain, chronic neck issues, even spondylitis. So the condition is going to become more and more prevalent in people who spend more time in front of their laptops, which will cause not only neck pain but also discomfort in their shoulder and upper back. So understanding the mechanics of text neck is the first step to preventing and treating it. Have you ever wondered why this text neck is commonly seen in corporate professionals? Many of the corporate jobs involve long hours spent in front of their computer or even mobile devices, whether it's checking emails or you're participating in virtual meetings, working on documents, so on. The sedentary lifestyle of these jobs means that people are often sitting for extended periods without even movement, and this could lead to poor posture over the period of time. Additionally, the pressure to stay connected and responsive in corporate world that causes many employees to work outside working hours also. So this constant use of mobile devices in a forward neck posture is a major contributor in the development of text neck. If you're finding this information helpful, please take a moment to like this video and share with your family and friends. Your support helps us to continue create valuable content like this. And remember, towards the end, there is a bonus section where I'll be demonstrating 5 simple, effective exercises to prevent text neck. So be sure to stick around. Let's talk about the early signs and symptoms of text neck. The most common symptom is definitely neck pain, but this pain can radiate from anywhere from dull, sharp, and stabbing kind of sensations. However, the impact of neck isn't just limited to the neck area, it could radiate to your shoulder and upper back too. This is because the muscles in these areas are working overtime to support the head in a forward tilt position. In addition to pain, you might notice other symptoms such as headache, which is caused by muscular tension in the neck and shoulders. Some people also experience a reduced range of motion in their neck, making it difficult to turn their head or even rotate their neck. This is a very serious condition. If it is not treated on time, These symptoms can worsen over the period of time, leading to chronic pain, spondylitis, and even serious changes in your posture. Let's explore some of the methods and solutions for treating text neck. First and foremost, the important step is to correct your posture. Be very mindful and aware of your posture, the way you sit, the way you walk, the way you use your phone, or the way you're sitting in front of your computer or your tab or your laptop. Try to hold the device at eye level to minimize the strain on your neck. It is also helpful to take regular breaks, say 20 to 30 minutes in between, get up, stretch, walk around. That will give your shoulders and neck a bit of rest. Ergonomic adjustments can make a big difference. If you work at a desk and if you're working for prolonged hours, make sure your back is supported. Maybe you can take a back support or neck support so your posture is straight, your spine is erect. Your chair has to provide a good support for your lower back. Additionally, physiotherapy exercises are excellent in managing text neck, and towards the end, I'll be demonstrating exercises to help get rid of this pain. Other treatments also include massage therapy to reduce muscular tension, and in some cases, anti-inflammatory medications are really useful to reduce pain and inflammation. But mind you, that's only temporary. So if you want to reduce neck pain, do focus on releasing your tight muscles to get rid of this text neck syndrome. Like they say, prevention is always better than cure, and it's same for text neck. To prevent text neck, make it a habit to practice good posture. Like I mentioned earlier, while you're standing, sitting, or walking, or even holding your mobile phone for prolonged hours, make sure your posture is straight. Keep your head aligned with your spine and avoid too much of slouching or leaning forward while using your mobile or your laptop. Incorporate regular stretches and strengthening exercises in your daily routine. Whenever you go to gym or you're doing some form of exercises, make it a point to stretch your neck so that it really reduces the tightness in your neck muscles. For those who are already experiencing text neck pain, rehabilitation is the key. I'll be demonstrating 5 exercises where I'll be showing you not only how you can correct your posture, but also when you're suffering, how you can get rid of this pain. And remember, consistency is crucial. Regularly performing rehab exercises, making some adjustments in your lifestyle, and inculcating daily good habits can lead to significant improvements over time. Let's discuss the importance of orthotics and neck supports in managing text neck. For some people, using a neck support or a brace can reduce the pain by maintaining proper alignment of our spine. There are different types of neck supports available, ranging from soft collars that provide gentle movement to rigid braces that are designed to immobilize the neck in severe cases. Remember, using these orthotics, sometimes soft pillows really help in reducing neck pain. Other ergonomic pillows are also easily available, and they are specially designed while sleeping because these pillows help in maintaining the natural curve of our spine. So make sure when you have neck pain or you feel there's a lot of pain while working or using your laptop or mobile, try to use a soft collar, support your neck comfortably. It is important to use these pillows under the guidance of an expert to ensure they're appropriate for your specific condition. Now coming to our bonus section, I'll be demonstrating 5 simple exercises to treat and prevent text neck. Exercise number 1, chin tuck. In this, you'll be sitting comfortably with one finger, place it on your chin and press your head backwards. With the other hand, try to keep it behind your head and push it backwards. Hold for 5 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and gently relax until you feel a nice stretch in the neck muscles. This can be repeated 5 times. Exercise number 2, retraction exercise. In this, again, you'll be sitting comfortably. Keep your hands in front of your chest and gently press. Hold for 5 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. This also can be repeated 5 times. Exercise number 3, upper trapezius stretch. In this particular stretch, you'll be sitting again comfortably with one hand. Keep it down. If you're sitting on a chair, hold the chair and with one hand place it on your ear and tilt your head sideways until you feel a nice stretch in the side of your trapezius muscles. These are the upper back muscles. Stay there for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and relax. This can be repeated 5 times and do it on both the sides. Exercise number 4, levator scapulae stretch. It's same like upper trapezius. The only difference is you're going to rotate and tilt. In this, you're going to be sitting comfortably over here. Rotate your neck to 45 degrees. With one hand, place it on your neck and gently press it down. Try to press it down till you're comfortable. Hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and relax. Return to the starting position and release. This can be repeated again 5 times. Make sure you rotate to only to 45 degrees to activate the levator scapulae muscle. And the fifth one is, like I have shown in other videos also, isometric neck exercises, in which you're going to sit comfortably. With the support of your hand, you're going to keep it behind your head, press it backwards, stay there for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds and release. If you're doing a side stretch, then place your right hand on the right side, press your head down with giving nice resistance till you feel a stretch over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gently release. Do the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax and press your forehead backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and relax. Remember to do these exercises regularly without holding your breath. See you until next time. And that's a wrap on today's video. We covered everything from what text neck is, why is it so commonly seen in corporate world, and the early signs and symptoms seen in this condition. We also explored various methods to treat, prevent this condition, and discussed the importance of good posture, highlighted the role of orthotics and neck supports. Finally, I shared 5 important exercises not only to prevent but also treat text neck syndrome. If you're finding this video helpful, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel Tanu Wellness, Physio and Pilates Hub, and do share with your family and friends. Don't forget to check out on our other videos for more in-depth guidance on maintaining your overall well-being. Thank you for watching and see you next time.